So what are we doing?
Okay, so I want to protect the style, something that's very versatile, where I can wear my hair different ways, but I don't want a lot of my natural hair out, and I want something really, really big.
Okay, so a flip over method sewing install would be perfect. Plus, we're gonna use our Burma curly texture.
Ooh, this feels good.
I know.
And I love this curl pattern too.
Yeah, you're gonna love it, trust me. Make sure you keep your hair hydrated with water and conditioner. And you're gonna need a good dipping brush. That's how you're gonna keep your curls defined.
Oh my goodness. This is so pretty.